What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing the Penguin King from Super Mario. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page at the top edge of the brow. We're going to leave a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left side. We're going to draw a curve that goes up and we'll bend that out towards the left. Let's line up the inside over on the right and do the same thing. Bending this up and then out. Let's go back to the inside. We want to curl the brow, coming in and then up towards the top on both sides. Now you want to tuck the eyes in underneath the brow. On the left side, we're going to step in, curl this down towards the bottom of the eye, and then bend that up like a half circle. Now I want to tuck the iris in underneath the brow. We're just going to pull this in towards the inside. So starting from the left, curl this down, and just pull that in. Now I'm going to trace the iris along the inside for the pupil. Down and up, and then we'll fill the pupils in black. Now let's move in between the eyes and draw on the beak. We're going to start right in the middle, start with a point. From here we're going to bend this out and then down toward the left, go back to the center, bend this out and then down towards the right. Let's round out the side of the beak. Pull that down and then in towards the middle, go up towards the right, and then round out the end. Let's add in the mouth. From the bottom, let's step up, add a point, bend this up and then out towards the left and right side. And then along the top, we're going to draw two short angle lines coming in for the nostrils. Now we want to place the crown on top of the head, but we want to tilt it over towards the left side. So from the top of the brow on the left, step out, I'm going to curve this in, I'm going to bend that up towards the right, towards the top of the crown. Let's round out the side of the cheeks. Starting from the left side, bend this around the eye, come down, and then in just underneath the beak. Let's go to the top right, go around the eye, just going to bend that down, and then in towards the middle. Now you want to add a thick edge along the bottom of the crown. So from the top corners, round this out like a bracket. Now on the left side, I'm going to follow the same curve, going across, and then pull that up towards the right. And then from the ends, draw a straight angle line going up and out. Let's connect the ends again with that same curve, coming down and then up. Let's add that same trim along the top. Again, just rounding out the ends. And then close this off with a curve. Let's add 3 circles inside this band. We're going to start right in the middle. Start with the first circle. Let's add 1 more on either side. Now from the outside, you want to continue this line going up towards the top. Do the same thing on the right. Let's find the halfway point between these 2 top lines, right in the middle, right here, and add a point. Now you connect the top of this line to that center point with a curve. And come down towards that band, and then bend that up. Let's go over towards the right. Down, and then we'll bend that up. Let's add a circle on the end of these points. We'll start on the left, go all the way around, and then just work our way over towards the right. Now you can draw the back side of the crown by adding 2 points in between. So let's start on the left, and it's in and then up, come down and then in. Let's continue over towards the right, going up towards the same height, and then bend that back down and out. Let's add those 2 circles on the top. Now let's move down and draw on that thick collar. Starting right in the middle, start with a curve coming down and out towards the left, go back to the center, and down and out towards the right. Now you want to wrap this collar in behind the head. So we'll start on the top left, and bend this out, come down and then in towards the bottom of that line. Let's line this up over on the right, going out, around, and then in. Let's add that rope in the center, starting on the left, coming down and up, step down, and draw that again. I just want to add a texture along the inside, starting from the left, and it's down and out, and just continue over towards the right. Now I want to add a trim along the inside and the bottom. So on the left side, we're going to step out, follow that same curve, coming down towards the bottom on either side. And we just want to blend this out towards the side. Go out, and then up. From the outside of the rope, let's curve the cloak, coming down, and then bend that out. Now I'm going to add 3 folds along the bottom of the cloak, starting from the left, then it's down, and then up. Do the same thing on the right. Now from here, it's going to bend this in, and then up about halfway towards the collar. Let's add the second fold. From this point, we step up, and it's out, and up, and then again, curve this in and up about halfway. Now I'm going to add the last fold, step up, and it's out, and up towards the side. Now on the left, bend this in, and then go all the way up underneath the collar. Same thing on the right. Let's add the bottom edge of the body in between the cloak. Starting from the left, bend this up and then down. Then add another curve going the opposite direction along the top of that patch. Let's finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw the Penguin King from Super Mario. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. And if you want to keep drawing with me, you might want to check out this video over here. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.